have made sauce out of cassava leaves mixed with dried fish, sweet potato leaves mixed again with dried fish, and in this video we're going to look at pumpkin leaves mixed with fresh beans straight away from the garden. Let us get to the video. So what we are facing here is a language barrier. No one is understanding each other, but we have to move on. We have to keep like plucking off the young ones, which are the soft ones, which can be eaten by human beings. Since we are going to mix them with fresh beans straight out from the garden, I think what we got is enough. So let's go and prepare them. We are going to remove some unwanted parts from these leaves, and then we are going to see this in the video. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. So as you can see, they remove off those, I don't know how I can call them. I think we can call them unwanted parts from the leaves. So this is our chef for today. Both of us are facing language barrier. Yeah, regardless, we move. So they have dams this side. We call them ponds. This side they call them dams, I think according to their size. So this is the water they get from those dams. They use the same water to feed the cows and also for home use. Those who can afford tanks, they can always get rainwater and store it for almost for a month. They can use that rainwater. But those who don't have the tanks where they can store water from, then they can be fetching this water from the dams or from the ponds. Me, I'm not minding about the water, about the smoke. What I'm minding about is food. I want to eat. And this lady is taking long to cook. So if the food delays, I always come in, help so that we can cook quickly and then we eat. Yeah, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel, be part of this family. Also like the video and also recommend it to other people, invite them to be part of this family. Also leave any request you want to see next on eating the African way. Yeah, we are going to chop these into small pieces and then mix them with our beans which are already cooking. Yeah, you have seen that. Yeah, so stay here until the end. Here we're going to be cooking water. We're going to mingle posho. Posho is going to be our food along with our sauce. Yeah, as you know, before mingling the posho, you have to separate some water aside. In case what you remained with is enough, then you don't need to use what you separated. But if it's not enough, then you have to use it.
Habari. Koizeo Mulembe. Sani Bonani. Sanu. Aslema. Bonjour. Mbotenayo.
The spirit of Africa is within us. Bold, strong, rich, united, blessed and loved by God. This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Thank you so much for being patient. We are almost there. Our portion is almost ready and our sauce is almost ready. We are about to eat. So don't go anywhere, please. Stay with us until the end of this video.
Talk about game reserves, national parks, waterfalls, islands. Wait a minute. Food. A minute. Food. Tulina mayuni. Sukali ndizi.
This is going to be the healthiest dish we have ever prepared. On eating the African day, there is no cooking oil. Everything is just boiled. Just boiled. Wow.
In Cameroon, there is a kwang.
For people who don't eat posho or don't eat the food they have prepared, they always prepare side food for those people. Yeah, even someone can come and visit. Even a visitor can come right now who doesn't eat posho, or someone who doesn't eat matoke, but they also have other alternatives, so that someone can always find what to eat. Yes.
We have groundnut stew made from peanuts, meat, tomatoes, and onions. We have cassava bread made from the flour, from the starchy root of the cassava plant. Okra stew made from the vegetable often referred to as lady's fingers. Oh, how I love Africa, a beautiful continent. A lot of food, to mention but a few. Ugali, sukuma wiki, fufu, fried stew, agidi, and a lot more. Mwebali, afuyo mate, asante.
Welcome back from a long day. It has been a long day, and we prepared this together. You saw that where it began from until this part. Always my favorite part. So our dish today was about pumpkin leaves sauce. You have seen cassava leaves mixed with smoked fish. That is a favorite dish from Congo and also Eastern Uganda and part of Central Uganda, and also sweet potato leaf stew. Today we have looked at pumpkin leaf sauce. Hope you have. I don't know if you have ever tasted this, but this is my first time, and everything is natural. There is no There is no cooking oil. The salt is just enough. Oh, I think I'm going to grow bigger this time. I'm going to gain some weight. Please come and enjoy with me. I washed my fingers, so don't worry about that. So for all the noises you can hear, just know people are doing some activities in the background. I'm in a compound and it's getting late. Some have gone to bring back the animals. Some are going to the well. Issue. Me, I'm here eating. The birds want to steal my food. So after watching sweet potato leaves sauce, some of you said, me, I cannot eat that and I would never eat that. But some people don't eat them because they are poor or because they don't have food, but it is, for them it makes a good sauce to them. You go to Congo, you'll be surprised about all the things they eat. Yes, one thing you shouldn't forget when you reach here, if this is your first time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also invite more people in, the family members. We need more and more. I won't stop mentioning this year. I want to hit 10K subscribers. 10K. And the journey is going smoothly. I'm sorry about the house fries. There are animals, the goats, almost all kinds of domestic animals here. So there's no way you're going to avoid the house fries. I think let me let you do other works. So catch up later next video. Bye bye.